Hi, my name is Joe Marcantonio, Teen Librarian at the Schaumburg Township District Library, and this is the Quaranteened Cooking Show. Today's recipe is super simple. It's just chocolate croissants, which is a take on a classic French recipe, which is chocolate-filled bread. All you're going to need is crescent rolls and a bar of chocolate. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, here we go. This is all we're going to need. A roll of crescent roll dough. I'm going to unwrap that. And then you'll see how it's divided up for you. You're going to want to keep the sheets intact. So kind of pinch these back together to have that rectangle. And then you only need a half of the chocolate bar in order to make this recipe. Place that in there, roll it up, and then keep rolling them up as you go. Alright. Smooth it out, pinch the ends a little bit, and there you go. That's one done. Alright guys, there you have it. We're going to now pop these in the oven according to the crescent rolls instructions. So that's 350 for about 12 minutes. See you then. Alright, now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's see how these came out. Oh yeah, perfect. So that's what you want. Nice drippy chocolate. Around a croissant. Wait, scratch that. Reverse it. Alright, thanks for joining me for another episode of the Quarantine Cooking Show. And I'll see you next week. Bye.